Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create Telegram channel. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, open your Telegram app. And then you can see at the bottom this pen icon. Just tap on that. Next, right here at the top, you can see New Channel. Just tap on that to create a new channel. Now you just need to enter your channel name. You can also enter a description on what is your channel is all about. You can also add an image as the profile for your channel. After that, just tap on the check icon. Now there is option right here if you want to have a public channel or a private channel. And then you just need to create a invite link so that you can share your channel to other people. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.